everyone, today in this video we are gonna make homemade bubbles. You can use any dishwashing liquid and any hand wash. Okay, let's start making the mixture. We have to take a zip tie. Also, it will not be sold like this. It will be sold like a strip. I have insert this like this, and we have to make a round, and we will start making now. And you should take like this container, and we have to pour 10 ml. I'm pouring. Okay, I've poured 10 ml. The oil is so dense. I'm gonna pour it for 5 ml. Let me get that. And I'm taking a filler for mixing. Now our mixture is ready. Now I will show you blowing it. Okay, and there's another way with the straw, and I will show you how to make multiple bubbles. Hey. And I will show you how to make a big bubble. Now we are going to make bubble inside bubble. Now let us do the bubble inside bubble. Bye everyone. Hey!